This literature kit on Inside Out and Back Again by Tang Alai has everything you will need in one packet, from pre-assessment material to comprehension questions incorporating vocabulary. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Reflect on Ha'a's mother's decision of having to choose a different country to live in. Put the events that describe Ha'a's first day of school in the order that they occur. Describe what Miss Scott shows to the class and how Ha'a reacts to it. Predict whether the family will learn what happened to their father. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as putting yourself in Ha'a's shoes and imagine what you would wish for during Tet. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Explore the concept of language and how difficult it can be to learn by researching common idioms used in your language. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.